My name is Hector Saldivar. I'm the founder of Tia Lupita Foods. We're a Mexican-inspired food brand that uses better-for-you, healthy ingredients. Now, let me ask you a question. Raise your hands if you like to eat tacos. Now, keep them up. Raise your other hand if you like to eat healthy. Now, try to touch your ears with your elbows. You can't stop it. It's impossible. I've tried. And just like that is impossible, it's impossible for these brands to update their ingredient list and bring original, authentic innovation to the marketplace. Enter Tia Lupita Foods. With our list of clean ingredients, innovative products, and authentic family recipe, our mission is to build a bridge to better-for-you, healthy Mexican products. Now, I know you're probably tired about hearing about superfoods and plant-based this and grain-free that, although that's exactly what we are. But instead, I want to talk to you about my mom, Tia Lupita. And this is exactly how you would find her in her kitchen, wearing her apron, a curler, and a big smile. And when I moved from Mexico to San Francisco, it was thanks to her shipments of hot sauce that I realized there was a need for better-for-you Mexican products. The Hispanic food and beverage market size in the US is over $20 billion. And there's a huge white space that needs to be addressed. Over 30% of new generations are Hispanic. We are paying attention to what we eat. We're paying attention to healthy and sustainability. We continue to validate our model that people are looking for better tasting, better-for-you hot sauces. Hot sauces are now the #1 condiment in the United States, even over ketchup. Our line of Cactus tortillas and tortilla chips started to hit stores in August. Big accounts like Whole Foods and World Market pushed us for the development of these items. They see the potential of having options like these for their shoppers. But why Cactus? In few words, Nopales is the food of the future. There is climate change. This is not a hoax. Crops are yielding less. And we need to find alternative foods that can provide us with the necessary nutrients to live a healthy life. Cactus have the same superfood properties as kale, moringa, goji berries, and kelp. They are the most sustainable plant in the planet. And we need this type of sustainable ingredients since Tia Lupita is showing tremendous growth year over year. We are on trend, and the market is coming to us. We are a team of young, diverse, passionate professionals, and combined, we have over 40 years of CPG experience. So, we're living difficult times right now. Times of profiling, divisive rhetoric, and building walls. My mom built a bridge to me by sending me her hot sauce. Let Tia Lupita Foods build a bridge to better-for-you, healthy Mexican food. Thanks.